traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. Corn market, it is trading lower. We're working on the biggest weekly decline in 1 year time. Warmer, milder, drier temperatures, the catalyst for this. This is the first time, too, you're hearing about concern about demand for our corn and soybeans. So, certainly there's corn in other parts of the world that are cheaper than ours. I don't think that this is a big concern. At the end of the day, we've got excellent quality grain. We've got a good legal system, good logistics. So I think the world's got to eat, and hence the demand for our grain market. But you are hearing analysts for the first time this week question demand in the corn and the soybeans. Now overnight, we've got a flurry of exports announced from the USDA. Corn to Mexico, soybean to China, sorghum, U.S. sorghum to unknown destinations. So stay tuned. The demand for our grain, I think, is going to continue to be very strong. Soybean market. We had soybean meal cancellations yesterday, so that's a concern. China purchases of U.S. soybeans are at a 9-year low, so that's a concern. But again, these are kind of week-to-week fluctuations. Back to corn here quickly. December corn, $4 puts. There's 50,000 open interest on these strike price and these options. I told you on this rally on corn, options are just going to explode, and you're seeing this. December corn this morning is $4.07, so we're headed to this $4 level. Maybe $3.90, $3.80 is going to be the low. The theme here, I think, we've had this big rally because of all this rain in June. We made highs in July. I think you got to own these grain markets here in the fall, the harvest lows, September, October. The disappearance of our corn here, the demand for it, the corn in the world disappearing. It's a good story, and I'm going to start talking more and more about that, owning our grain this fall. There's certainly no guarantees. Funds continue to liquidate a list of commodity markets. The fundamentals on these commodities, there's a lot of commodities in the world today, grain included. So we're seeing fund liquidation across the whole spectrum. Ending stocks on corn and beans. Maybe they're going to decline this year. This is a big change from where we started in the spring. We were going to get record acres of soybeans and all this grain around. Now maybe year to year, net, our ending stocks of corn and soybeans are going to decrease. That's a major, major change. We still don't know August precipitation. We don't know the acres on soybeans, but by no means is this 2015 crop made just yet. Those are two big concerns that I just mentioned. Looking ahead this weekend, Sunday night weather. This is one of the most important weather weekends of the year. So the western corn belt, it's dry out there. We're going to need rain out there. They've got good corn, good ratings on their corn. We need some rain to continue these good ratings. So a real big weekend of weather, Sunday night weather, and we'll keep talking about it. Have an excellent weekend. Thank you.
Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.